Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to set a password on Google Chrome. To set a password on Google Chrome, you can do the following. We will use extensions to lock Chrome with a password. First, open Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. The link is in my description box. You can copy from there. Then search for Set Password for Browser. Now install the extension and set a password. Now you are set to use. This is the best way to prevent others from opening Chrome. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.